Sharp bafethu uZex la no bafethu ngifuna ukukhuluma ngegame namhlanje bafethu igame yesithathu le uNabi bafethu adliwa kuyona ama preseason I know ukuthi bathi ama training games bafethu but yesithathu igame adliwa kuyona but then bafethu we need to be honest this one ko lama game esiwadle this one was better yabona bafethu iyabonakala into uNabi azama ukuyenza yabo for mina myself yabo iyabonakala into azama ukuyenza uNabi no before nje bafethu siqhubeke ngicela ukuthi ni-subscribe bafethu nami ngizama ukuthi ngiphushe i-page yabo sure bafethu noma uthi uyabheka bafethu building from the back bafethu isiyazama ukuhlanganisa i-case building from the back besibona ukuthi abasayisebenza indaba ye-helicopter football indaba yokuqhumuza ibhola phambili yabo other than that bafethu mina ngiyawancamela ama-loose kodwa ubona ukuthi there is progress yabo then ukuthi udlala helicopter football siwine lapha kumalontunjana base sibuya la eSouth Africa sesizodliwa futhi but beswina le kwi-preseason so bafethu mina I see isidingo salamalontunjana sama training games bafethu as much as singawini yabo singawini but kule game nje esithathu bafethu cha ukhombisile uNabi ukuthi yini azama ukuyenza yabo because building from the back mfethu cha they are trying bafethu they are trying bazama but that being said bafethu iqiniso lihle bafethu we still need players yabo iwindi lisavuliwe we still need players I can see strategies kaNabi but then angeke akhona ukusenza kahle bafethu with those players he still needs ama player high quality bafethu ama player quality bafethu iqiniso lihle sisawadinga bafethu ama player quality iqiniso nje lihle yes ngiyasibona istyle yabo ngiyasibona istyle adlala ngaso yabo libeka phansi ibhola nje uyalithunga kahle but with those kind of players bafethu iqiniso lihle kunama players afanele ahambe kwiCaser bafethu we still need new players yabo nalawa nje amasha I'm not yet convinced yabo angibajudge ukuthi ngithi bayabheda asikababoni ngokuphelele the only guy I think osasiphakamisile isandla njengamanje mangaphosisa uMonyane vele quality siyamazi namanje we still don't understand ukuthi iPirates imdedeleleni yabo because uMonyane is a quality player we still don't understand namanje yabo I think it's because of ama injury atena kwiPirates yabo and then bese kuzoba unkanyiso shinga kuma player nje amasha I think it's those players engisababonile mina ukuthi no these players are quality yabo although nabo singaboni that much of bona but sengisho nje kulama players amasha ngiyabona la kade vele sinawo mfethu but nje kulawa amasha afikile the new players yabo kuseyibona baba u2 engisababonile yabo angisho ukuthi laba abanye bayabheda but sobona ukuhamba kwesikhathi bafethu sizobona ukuhamba kwesikhathi other than that bafethu mina nje lama training games bafethu ngiwabona nje bafethu enesidingo yabo and azosisiza going forward yabo singalosisha amagoli singawazi ukuthi aqhamukephi yabo but nje bafethu mina ngiyasibona istrategy sikaNabi yabo and omunye umuntu engiconfused ngaye bafethu uNdlovu angibe ngithi bathi ufikile le eNetherlands but angikamboni ehlala ngazi noma mina nengamboni because lapha kunenkinga lapha nesisweni bafethu uMarch siyabona ngale sikhala sakhe yabo because muthi yabheka lamathima amaningi mayikora akudla khona lapha phansi yabo awaqhamuka kuma wingers aqhamuka lapha phakathi nendawo yabo there is a gap lapha phakathi nendawo I don't know ukuthi zithi ithini indaba kaNdlovu because uNdlovu ngizwa ngathi kuthiwa besefikile eNetherlands but then angangamboni edlala so I think nje bafethu we need ama players ethu wonke manje siwabone especially abadlali abanjengoDuba uDuba angazi ukuthi inkinga yakhe noma ku-injury or kanjani because ngicabanga ukuthi uyena umdlali esingakamboni ungakangeni yabo because mina I had a belief ukuthi kule season i-top goal scorer yethu bafethu kuzoba uDuba ngokubona kwami yabo ngokubona kwami uDuba I think uyena umdlali ozoyithatha i-top goal scorer bafethu yabo angibabonela ezinye striker but so far angasibona striker which is better than uDuba njengamanje yabo lapha kwiKaizer Chiefs so yeah bafethu ileyo nje otherwise bafethu catch me on the next video cela usubscribe mfethu lapha nasinyusa ipage otherwise ikhosi alipheli moya peace.